Welcome back guys, Ice Time here, and in this video we will quickly cover the three basic parts of an object in Blender. They are vertices, edges, and faces. First up we have vertex, or vertices for plural. They are the most basic part of any mesh. They are a single point and they're represented in edit mode by either a dot or a little square. You can edit individual vertices by going into edit mode and pressing 1 on your keyboard, or by clicking here in the top left of your screen. As you can see, this is an individual vertice. Next up, we have edges. An edge always connects two vertices by a straight line. They are the wires you see when looking at a mesh in wireframe mode. We won't cover wireframe mode here though. You can edit individual edges by going into edit mode and either pressing 2 on your keyboard or by clicking here at the top left of your screen. As you can see here, we have an individual edge selected and are moving it up and down. Lastly, we have faces. Faces are used to build the actual surfaces of the mesh. They're what you see when you render a mesh in any game engine. Faces can be either triangles, quads, or n-gons, depending on the amount of vertices and edges they are surrounded by. You can edit individual faces by going into edit mode and pressing 3 on your keyboard, or by clicking here in the top left. We have a face selected here and are moving it up and down. All three of these parts can be modified to create a truly custom mesh and bring your idea into reality. That's all for today guys. I hope this was a helpful video and gets you moving further along in your Blender journey. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, this is Ice Time, signing off.